Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Illegal table tennis rubbers. Unfair advantages in the game. Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. In some amateur tournaments, I can see some illegal table tennis rubbers. Unfair advantages. Table tennis, a popular sport enjoyed by millions worldwide, requires skill, technique, and fair play. However, there is an issue that plagues the game, the use of illegal table tennis rubbers. These rubbers provide players with unfair advantages, compromising the integrity of the sport. In this article, we will explore the various methods used to acquire illegal rubbers and their implications for the game, boosters and chemical treatments. One way players obtain illegal table tennis rubbers is through the use of boosters and chemical treatments. Boosters enhance the performance of rubbers by increasing their speed, spin, and control. These substances are applied to the rubber's surface, altering its properties beyond what is allowed by the regulation. Additionally, some players resort to chemically treating rubbers to manipulate their characteristics, gaining an unfair edge over their opponents, plus 15% more speed and spin. Modifying the pimple structure. Another method employed to obtain illegal rubbers involves modifying the pimple structure. Here you can see the treated and untreated long pimple rubbers. I have seen many players put their rubber in the microwave. Table tennis rubbers have different pimple configurations that affect ball trajectory and spin. By altering the pimple structure, players can create rubbers that generate unpredictable spins, making it difficult for opponents to anticipate the ball's behavior. Such modifications are against the rules and give players an unfair advantage. Combining different rubbers. Players seeking an unfair advantage may also combine multiple types of rubbers to create a custom-made racket. By assembling rubbers with contrasting properties, they can manipulate the game to their advantage. For instance, a player may use a rubber with high spin capabilities on one side and a rubber with exceptional speed on the other, creating a formidable and imbalanced playing surface. Debate and controversy. The issue of illegal rubbers in table tennis has sparked debates within the community. Players have differing opinions on the prevalence of these rubbers and whether certain professionals have access to superior or specialized batches. Timo Boll said that it is not possible to buy the National Hurricane 3 rubbers, so it is unfair. While some argue that certain players receive exclusive rubbers, others maintain that these claims are not applicable to all players and are based on individual circumstances and preferences. What is your opinion? Illegal table tennis rubbers pose a significant challenge to the integrity and fairness of the game. Boosters, chemical treatments, modifications to the pimple structure, and combining different rubbers all contribute to an unfair advantage for those who employ them. It is crucial for the table tennis community to address this issue and enforce strict regulations to ensure fair play and maintain the spirit of the sport for all players.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.